Dear friends, knowledge is power. This is absolutely true, and we all must upgrade our knowledge about various categories of general knowledge, may it be science, technology, sports, and current affairs. So let us test our knowledge. So for GK questions, I would like to call Purva.
Good morning everyone. Today's GK questions are: name the author who created famous series of book Harry Potter. I repeat my question. Name the author who created the famous series of book Harry Potter. The answer is J.K. Rowling. The famous children's book Jungle Book